On Wednesday, January 28th, Estonia's 1st Infantry Brigade took to social media to show how its combat service battalion was hard at work modifying the brigade's Patria armoured personnel carriers. Shown in the photos, the addition of cage armour, most often used to protect from attack drones. Let's go over the photos and the importance of such modifications for today's video. We found out about this post from Ukraine-focused news site United 24 Media, who noticed the post on January 29th. The United 24 article says that the fact that Estonian forces are installing protective cage armor on their Patria armored personnel carriers reflects lessons learned from modern battlefield threats, particularly the widespread use of drones. While Estonia somewhat recently acquired a large number of Arma 6x6 APCs from Turkish manufacturer Otokar, the country's land forces still operate a sizable fleet of Patria PASI XA-188s and XA-180 EST vehicles. The XA-188s were acquired under a contract signed with the Netherlands in October 2010, while the XA-180 EST vehicles previously served with the Finnish army. These were later modernized and transferred to Estonia. The work being done with Estonia's old PASI APCs is highly indicative of the rapidly changing nature of modern warfare. At the very same time, we have to acknowledge that cage armor isn't a new concept, as it's been used as a way to detonate anti-tank missiles before hitting the main structure. As just one example, you can see here an American Striker with its anti-RPG cage. It doesn't guarantee immunity from warheads, but can indeed provide increased crew survivability. With the modern battlefield with Ukrainian and Russian forces, such measures are more drone-focused. Going by different names, the anti-drone mesh, colloquially referred to as cope cages, serve to detonate FPV attack drones away from the actual armor and structure of the vehicle. The result is a weaker blast against the vehicle and a lower chance of sustaining critical damage. Electronic warfare is one way to disrupt drones as they near their target, but such countermeasures depend on finding the right frequency to disrupt. Additionally, they don't work against drones that are controlled via fiber optics. Now, the original Facebook post by the 1st Infantry Brigade said that the modified vehicles will be publicly unveiled during the country's Independence Day military parade on February 24th, with the unit saying, "Every year at the parade we show something new. This year is no exception." Thus, we have to wonder if this is more of a show and proof of concept rather than a full-scale fleet-wide undertaking, something specifically for the parade to show how Estonian forces have drone warfare in mind. After all, to make such changes to all of Estonia's APCs would be a huge project and make all vehicles slightly heavier and harder to work around. But at least to us, troops will need time to learn how to work with/work around these structures, which obviously prevent easy access to all sides of the vehicle. And, well, there's no time like the present to get used to the modern drone-saturated battlefield. But what do you think of this? Should more NATO forces be implementing these types of anti-drone modifications? Let us know by leaving a comment.